Hello students, in this video we will discuss some problem from exercise 18a. So let's start question number wait. So question number 8 is given here. Construct the cumulative frequency distribution table from the frequency given below. So here frequencies are given, you have to find out the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. So how to find out the cumulative frequency? 0 to 8 the frequency is 9. So right here 9. 8 to 16 the frequency is 13. So if I ask you below 16 how many frequency is there? Below 16 means there will be cover 0 to 8 frequency and 8 to 16 frequency also. That means you have to add 9 and 13. So if you add 9 and 13 you will get here 22. So 22 will be the cumulative frequency. Now how to find out the cumulative frequency in 16 to 24? That means you have to find out the frequency of below 24. So how many frequencies there below 24? So you have to add 9, 13 and 12. So if you add 9, 13 and 12, what you will get? That means you have to add 22 plus 12. You will get here 34. Now cumulative frequency of 24 to 32, that means you have to find out the frequency below 32. That will be 34 plus 7, that is 41. Now again you have to add this 15 with this 41, you will get here 56. Now these are the cumulative frequency. Now go to next one. Question number 9. So here the cumulative frequencies are given, you have to find out the frequency. Frequency you have to find. So cumulative frequency of 10 to 19 is given here 8. So it will be 8 happen. Cumulative frequency of 20 to 29 is given here 19. That means here we are adding the frequency of 10 to 19 and the frequency of 20 to 29. So for finding the frequency you have to subtract this 10 to 19 frequency. 10 to 19 frequency is here 8 and 10 to 29 frequency is here, that is cumulative frequency, that is given here 19. But you have to find out the 20 to 29 frequency. So what to do? You have to subtract 10 to 9 frequency from this frequency. Here 19 minus 8. So if you subtract 19 minus 8 you will get here 11. In the similar way, for finding the frequency of 30 to 39 you have to subtract the below of this 29 frequency, that is 19. So if you subtract 19 from 23 you will get here 4. In the similar way, for finding the frequency of 40 to 49 you have to subtract this 23 from this 30, you will get here 7. So these are our frequency. Now go to next one, question number 10. So question number 10 is given here. Construct the frequency table from the following data. So you have to find out the frequency. So less than 10, that means 0 to 10 is given here 6. So frequency also will be 6 happen. less than 20. So less than 20 means there is cover less than 10 plus 10 to 20. So for finding the frequency of right here class interval, so class interval is 0 to 10. So I am doing here. Here is class interval and here is frequency. So class interval is when 0 to 10 it will be 6. Now when the class interval is 10 to 20, what to do? You have to subtract. Less than 20 means they have cover less than 10 frequency and 10 to 20 frequency, but you have to find out 10 to 20 frequency. So what to do? You have to subtract these less than 10 frequencies. So less than 10 frequencies are given here 6 and less than 20 frequency is given here 15. So you have to subtract this 6 from this 15. So what you will get? You will get here 9. So 10 to 20 frequency is here 9. Now 20 to 30. So how to find out 20 to 30 frequency? So 20 to 30 frequency, whenever you want to find 20 to 30 frequency, you have to subtract this less than 20 frequency from the less than 30 frequency. So you'll get here 30 minus 15, it will be nothing but 15 happen. Now 30 to 40. So how to find 30 to 40 frequency? You have to subtract this less than 30 frequency from less than 40 frequency. It will be 9 happen. Now 40 to 50. Subtract this 39 from 53. If you subtract this 39 from 53, you will get here 14. Now 50 to 60. Subtract this 53 from this 70. So if you subtract this 53 from 70, you will get here 17. So this is our frequency. So in this way you can solve left of the problem. Thank you everyone.